哟，各位观众朋友们，大家好，欢迎回来到1年1度的影片啦！真的超久了，已经3-4个星期没有拍影片了，没有上传影片了吗？哇！哎呦，这个末影梦搞什么鬼啊？真的是。OK， 那今天我们就来玩 The Walking Dead 那个行尸走肉新编帖第2章。我们开始我们的第2章吗？哇，楼下发生什么事？战斗吗？Alright， 我还记得上一集那个女的，那个小女孩真的是死的超惨的 ，Oh my god！ 此游戏系列会主动适应你做出的选择，故事情节会根据你的游戏方式展开。哦，开始了。
Please, let me do the dishes. That's the least I can do. I'm crashing here. Crashers, clean dishes.
Your family. Besides, if they're not cleaned the right way, David becomes a big baby about it all. I'm a pro at this point.
No. I insist.
Grab this sponge and you're gonna be eating it too. It's not a big deal. I've got it.
Nah, I know you don't mind, but I won't be here for too long. Just, gotta get back on my feet a little.
You're right. I don't mind.
But David does. Is that it?
Maybe a little bit. Actually, forget I said that. That wasn't for me to... Just forget it. Sorry.
Well, he can just deal with it. He's always giving me shit for not being around anyway.
Your family. That means the door's always open. So where do you think you'll go?
Don't know. With what happened, I'd be amazed if I could get a job assistant coaching T-ball.
You'll land on your feet.
Well, here's hoping. I could use a fresh start. I'll probably just travel around, see what's out there.
Want to take me with you?
Sure. Just finish up with those dishes and I'll bring the car around.
But I pick the music.
Yeah, never mind then.
You know I'm just messing around, but it's hard to say no to a fresh start. Always wanted to go to Norway, see the northern lights. You'll be jet setting and I'll still just be here. Oh, god damn it. Oh, shit,
quick,
shit,
run
shit,
underwater.
shit. That was David's army glass. Oh, he's gonna be so pissy about it. I can hear him already. Oh, it's so annoying.
He should be more worried about you slicing your hand open.
He should be.
There you go. See, much better. What was that noise? Guys.
继续在这啦，说继续吧。
Hello. My CO gave me that. And unless you want to dig up his fucking corpse, he's not gonna give me another one.
Why don't we get an actual dishwasher?
Oh, here we go again.
Then you won't be on my ass anytime there's a spot on a fork.
Excuse me?
If we could even afford a dishwasher.
It is just a glass. It was important to me, Javi. A glass? We don't see your ass for a year. A year. Then when your life goes to shit, we're expected to drop everything and roll out the red carpet. All for Prince Javi. And now you're gonna start telling me how to talk to my wife?
This isn't about him.
Really? He's the one standing right there judging me for something he doesn't understand.
Help her! You gotta help her!
Keep pressure on the wound.
Oh my god.
The fuck is this?
Gunshot wound. Upper abdomen.
They shot her.
What the hell happened?
They came out of nowhere. Just started shooting at us. They shot a little girl.
Mariana. My sister. Jesus fucking Christ.
Give us some room, please.
Oh my God.
No exit wound. Bullets in there. Deep. Gotta get it out to know how bad the damage is.
Please, let me do something.
Gabe, I need to concentrate.
I know I can help. I can handle this. Just tell me what to do, I'll do it.
Go on, Gabe. Wait outside.
I'm not going anywhere.
Hey, this is not a debate.
I need you to clean the wound.
该不会又要按什么吧？还真的要按什么？
Okay, that's good.
那是什么呀 ？cream 来了吗？
I'm going to reach in and pull the bullet out. I need you to keep the wound open as wide as possible. Take both sides and pull. Hard.
Okay.
哇！不要看。
You're doing great. You're doing great.
Wow.
No! Oh God! Oh God!
How's it look?
Kate, you're bleeding inside. I have to get in there and stitch you up, okay?
Okay.
I'm not gonna lie to you. It's going to hurt. A lot. Keep it open, no matter what.
No matter what.
1, 3.
那个僵尸进来的 No matter what 吗 ？What the hell？
3.
哦，个了安哦。
Oh God! Oh!
We're almost there. We're almost there.
快点！你知道我手很酸哦。
All right. That's the worst of it. You can let go.
可以了。哎，你不要
I'll
晕过去，
finish stitching her up.
孩子，
And
你不
then
要
we
晕过
should
去。
talk.
应该没事了吧？哇，超惨的。
I've made her as comfortable as I can. Right now, the smartest thing for her is rest. I know it seemed dicey when she lost consciousness, but her body is trying to protect itself from trauma.
Thank you for saving her life. I don't know what I would have done if she...
I'm just glad I could stabilize her. Those bastards did her one favor at least. Any lower, and that bullet would have torn her stomach lining as well. Your boy Gabe, he seems really fierce. You could tell he didn't want to leave her.
Yeah. So when's she gonna be up on her feet again?
She's stable. For now. But she's still bleeding inside. I don't want to lie to you. It's probably just a matter of time. I wish I could do more.
你坦白相告，我不能失去他。
No, I don't accept that. I can't.
I've done everything I can for now. I'm sorry, Javi. I'm going to get cleaned up. You may want to find Gabe. He looked pretty upset when he left.
This isn't gonna make him feel any better.
Still,
I'll track him down. Might have been faster than the horses we took.
当然啦，这个是车啊，你骑那个什么宝马吗？
How's she doing?
Not great. As well as can be expected. Yeah, considering.
If you'd waited for me instead of sneaking off the way you did, I could have helped. Would have been useful in the fight at least. Not that you had any way of knowing those assholes are gonna show up.
应该早告诉你。
I should have told you we were going.
Hey now, bygones. It's a hell of a situation. Just know I'm praying for you. All of you. And whatever happens, you all are welcome to stick around in Prescott, if that's what you want. Nobody's gonna force you, but we'd be glad to have you all here.
Not gonna make a decision like that without talking to Kate, so I'd rather check in with her when she's feeling better, you know?
Sure thing. Let the lady weigh in first.
来，然后现在上面那两个在做什么？飞机耶，可以。
Flew in a plane just like this to a baseball game in Arkansas once. Lifetime ago.
前世，嗯？前世是怎样的？先观察先，不要直接拿起先看先，然后才捡起。没有人发现了哇！所以呢，现在是要做什么呢？上面有一个东西，检查。
Doesn't look super sturdy.
就这样粘上去啊，拿那个 super glue 这样粘上去。然后这个弹簧。
Hey, have you seen a kid come through here?
Blood all over his hands, dark look on his face. Headed off that way, without saying a word. If I were you, I'd give him some space. Just my advice. One parent to another.
Wish I could, but I don't think I can.
Okay. But he sure didn't seem like he was in the mood to talk. That blood, I take it that wasn't his?
His stepmom's.
You gotta stay strong for her. Do whatever it takes. Know if my friend seen were in the same situation, I'd fight like hell. Anything we can do to help you out, just let me know.
这边全部都是那个好人，像那个之前那个，一出来就在边别乱开枪那个，那杀人了那个，哎呦真的是，退出是这样的，等一下，哦。
Gabe? Gabe, come on. Look at me.
I
don't deserve to have this. I want to go back.
Go back? Where?
To the junkyard. I want to go back and bury Mariana.
对不起，我们做不到，我也很想念她。
I know how much you miss her, Gabe. I miss her too.
And Kate, she needed me during her surgery. She needed my help, but you wouldn't let me. Why do you still treat me like I'm some stupid fucking kid? I could have helped. I don't know why you made me leave.
You're right. I should have let you stay. I should have given you a chance to prove yourself.
Too late now. I'm done feeling this way. Feeling powerless. I can't be some helpless little boy anymore. I need to be a man. Just like my dad was. He knew how men were supposed to act.
You're already a man, Gabe.
I'm not. But at least I know it now. Next time, I'm not gonna sit back and watch. I'm gonna do something. I have to.
Listen, Gabe.
Oh.
Glenn?
诶，上面有尸哦。
Shit.
Get inside!
这么他赢啊，全部来哟！我要开战了吗？不会吧？好吧，那我们这一集就到此结束啦。如果你还想看下去的话，记得点个赞，还有别忘了订阅我的频道。当然还有留言啊，就是什么我不好的东西啊，还是什么东西就留言吧，让我知道。好，我们这一集就到此结束，感谢大家的收看，我们下个影片见，拜拜呀。